iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za, Mamelodi Sundowns, Sekhukhune United, DSTV Premiership on a Saturday evening. So Vilakazi is not with us today, for these videos. He will be with us later on tonight between Marumo Gallants and Orlando Pirates as well. Junior Khanye, our analyst. Mamelodi Sundowns, 1 goal when they had 11 men, another goal when they had 10 men. Dominant performance.
Yes,
sir.
Ngibulise uJustice noma pahaza la khona.
So.
Yeah, no ngibulise ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. Why want to play the way Sundowns is playing, knowing the type of players the Sundowns are now. In terms of the profile, those players, yes, Panamagama. But the quality is the same now. All I'm trying to say, ngibona goalkeeper Susi goal kick himself. Ngikhuluma ngasekona half lo weSekhukhune. And then ngabona lisusa ulipile, ubantu liyepile. And then while Susa uyebo man 9 times. Kunguthi goalkeeper ulisusile kayiwani ngambona for sure technical right. It means he was injury free, the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper beyangalisusa futhi alibela lishaya. Ngoba lengwenya bengatholi umuntu liyepele. Bengatholi anyone, any teammate yakhe. So wow yolisusa la. Angithi Sundowns when ujala lisusa lapho goalkeeper passing bese kuvela umkhulisi la Nombule okanye mhlambe kube umkwena mhlambe badlala whoever and they come here okanye ama wingback abapusha mela and then they find themselves free. Mawudlala nalabantu must have type of players comfortable in the middle. Sekhukhune bayenze, I think they started leyanto bazamile ukuthi bayenze. They didn't play according to strengths abo first half. Let me put it that way. You can't ukuthi ungabi ne midfield, the best midfield yakhe kwa comfortable yona ulipele. Udropa too much eboxini unobani la in the middle. And then ibhola lifike kanjani ngoba the ball player lapho Ncube alone, him on the right hand side. I think first half every time when he got the ball uyakwazi ukuzenzela ispace bekalithola mar too far. He end up amakha ngoba iSundowns kule side labo la kudlala khona uLitswalo. I think ama signing uJonas is a very humble person, manone omamela abanye abantu mabamtshela. Sengikhuluma naye iChairman Lendala. I think bekumele baba advise kahle signing a left wing forward. Ulitswala kadlala lapha because namhla igame abengekho balance bedlala kule side elingapha la kaNqube. Every time when he got the ball mela zakhathe ina kwelinye side umfana ngeke kwenze lokho energy values omtrainer nesapi coach ukuthi umsubstitution leleni why substitute, I don't understand. You understand? So in the middle of bebangekho, there was no one in the middle. Ngikhuluma ngayo Sekhukhune, especially first half. One Zohi up front, not even bekungana umuntu omsupply, end up angasaza eka left eka right. So game plan yabo understand ukuthi bekuyini one day try. Sundowns, you know, is Sundowns in the middle. Well played from Andile Charlie. Ayilosiphombuli yazibhola. Skillful and connected ubona ama player njengabo Thabo Moki mfethu abo tsikitsiki, like players who can make things happen if ama instruction sharp ungena ngawe grounding, but ube nento abantu abanganayo. You can't be obvious. Ngeke uhambe ufane ma midfield mele ube special, ngeke ufane defender or uhambe ufane umuntu ohamba endleleni sikubiza siqhokise la mfana special wazibhola. If angaziphatha kahle alungisa behavior, he can play anywhere around the world, very comfortable, awareness. Lo mfana lo nje understand ukuthi Sundowns quality is too much today. What they did him and Mkhuliso Andile akusi defensive midfield for me. Andile is sort of a box to box. Andile utholakala ukuthi line ama scoring kuma opponent besakwazi ukhavi distance, run very quickly and look at the body, ngeke sikutshela ukuthi angarana quick the way, but uyakwazi ukwenza lokho. Andile upush ibhola from 30 meter yard and then these two they move across and confused. They always find themselves free. Sundowns idlala ngamapocket and yamaster. They hardly go wide. Wide is like the option I manja since in some Ngobeni or Mrena. I love when they play Mrena. Mrena, I think he reference with the Sundowns wing back.
Especially the final third.
Yeah, because Mrena, what is doing Gulego? A final third, Mangeko on. Either take somebody on, it doesn't lose it. Mangeko on 10. He will find his teammate. Maga Pumile 1v1 wapuma, he makes sure the decision is quite possible, he will find his teammate. And it's a goal. Agalzali Pekwats, Agal shying a shot, Adam Toll up front. it's a goal. You understand? Phela le bhola leli balishayela uMailula. So how many crosses, especially ama square pass, not cross. Umrane doesn't just cross, square pass, ya pass. How many of them ama decision awenzile today? Ngobe uyenzile first half, I think Shalulile, if I'm not mistaken, ngole foot ulisha kancane. But namhlanje he was better, far better. Ngoba wenza into egrand sokutshela. Bamtshelile ukuthi don't force it. You can't run like awudlali 11. If it's not on, you come back and play it here. And then you move iqale singene lapha phakathi. I think namhlanje kayenza Serino bekakhatha yini namdlali. Either they play 1-2 or bamnqinjebo uSerena ngene phakathi badlali 1-2 Sundowns. First half Sundowns I created so many chances kuleko, but ball position mina ngishilo the way baba trainer because too hot. I love what Rulan is doing in his team. The best way to keep the ball ama team amaningi kumele afunde ukudefend, awupaka ipass mawuqeda ukora. You keep the ball kuma right areas whereby comfortable players. Nama sapo akhe namhlanje I think kwalende ngimbonile makangena. He was not himself. Very good player, but not himself. Ungene wanyatsa. I understand. Utoli red card, but in a question mark. Yes, a red card, it is a it. But maybe keep immediately. Immediately keep a red card. You don't have good your consult at 3 minutes. Consult a sharp grand, we keep it yellow already. My consult a lap, I'm so change a decision yako. It's like not to be a VAR in South Africa. So many questioning ngone nalomfana ulipile ubani ulipile le thikila yenzile asham umbule naye red card beyikhona first half, but well referee yenzile, but still Sundowns they ba shorter, but I think it's summary people they must learn. You keep the ball comfortability, move off the ball. I ukuthi manje keep the ball and zol pass kuphela, you move off the ball. If uni energy le anto you practice, and credit to Rulane Mkwena uyibonile le
no Shalulile korile.
All I'm saying best I'm a player, I'm scoring
ukorile Shalulile.
Or ngicela ungamele nkuleko. Uyazi mina nginechive man, mina ngifuna uzodlala yabo mawudlala lapha phambili. Well done to Peter Shalulile. It's been a while angadlali. Is a goal pouch, udlala usurround the cream. Fanele usurround the cream. Usurround the cream fanele. So credit to Peter Shalulile. I need to be honest, he did very well. Dala ngadlala Peter from injury. His job is to score, and wins it didn't right for him. The boy came in second half. Aksi easy, especially bekadlala umfana bamthathe bamlahlele benchini, and then abuye obviously confident will drop. Peter score I think ukorile kwenye game. Uthema kabuya I think one game is udlalile azanga kore, the other game is scored. So now usicatile namhlanje futhi scored again. Aksi easy ukuvela benchini, omunye umuntu was gonna be psychological bekazolimala, but he came ukatheka ne-first pole kuya echa kuyo intwana encane ilindi lapha kuya abantu abadala lapha bushoes mushiwo first pole abombesume bafike i-composure because le bhola lize nge-shot omunye bekelisa so good i-composure for mfana atheka ne-space, so good call for mfana ne-good cross as well, square pass. Sundowns will deserve, akunamuntu ozobastopha again. The way they played they deserve, especially Seba Shorter foot.
Okay, there you are. That's Mamelodi Sundowns, Sekhukhune, in the DSTV Premiership. I suppose it's the same story all night long, every day, all day. The team that we expected to win won. There you go, in the DSTV Premiership. I don't know what's the gap now. At some point we used to say 3-point gap, 6-point gap, 9-point gap, 13-point gap, 15-point gap. We are no longer counting now. It's just a matter of time mathematically to say that they are champions. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.